Hey friends, my name is Snehajanchi and I welcome you all in this new fresh video. Yeah, today's topic is about you can say casting, or you can say a manufacturing process, a topic that I took from the Foundry Technology. Yes. Now this video will all about the concern if you are looking for a GATE examining preparations, or if you are planning for it, or else you are engineering students, then you should go with this video. So let's get into started. But before getting into it, so please make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Now today's topic is actually a casting defects, as you may now know after you read the video title or may have seen the video thumbnail. So why these defects occur in casting? This could be a main question arising after getting into the topic. So my first answer, or you can say a common reason, is what I seen. Main reasons are when doing the casting process, if you haven't taken care, or if you are a carelessness during the procedure, then it could be happen. And another reason is, yeah, this depends upon the several types of the casting defects. There are many defects in casting, so it depends according to the types. Now the main concern here is the types and remedies. Today I will going to tell you the major casting defects and their remedies. Now a common, or you can say a major casting defects which arises in industries frequently. So our first defects is cracks. Yeah, crack is generally what you may consider as a fracture of a cast part. So now what are the reasons of why the cracks are occurs? So here I have taken some examples, or you can say features to how the cracks are appear. So the reason is that due to the solidifications, the metal shrinks to the mold, and so due to this, the stress develops, internal stress develops in the metals, and by thus proper care is not taken during the procedure, then the cracks are formed, and so the surface gets appear to be fractured, and which we call it as a cracks. What are the prevention steps we consider? The first prevention could be taken by improving the designs of the mold or the cast parts. Second one is ramming the cast part properly. The third one is paying attention on the temperature while solidifying it. So this was the first one. Second one is shrinkage. Now why the shrinkage occurs? Yes, many of you have seen the shrinkage, or you have heard sometimes frequently that shrinkage is the one of the most defects occurs in casting parts. Now here I have shared the four images which you will know about the shrinkage, where it is a type of such cavities that are appeared in the rough surface of the cast part, that it is usually occurs when the molten metal gets solidified. So now how to prevent this? Their remedies. So first one is by maintaining the proper temperature. Second one is by arranging the riser and runner into the perfect manner. Now the third one is metal penetration. Yes, the metal penetration could be like this. So the metal penetration, how does it occur? Friends, this defect occurs when the proper mold material is not taken and the pouring of the metal is not done properly. So this is the main reason the metal penetrations occur. So now how to prevent this? So the first step is to properly take care while pouring the material into the mold. Second, to arrange the mold properly, and third, by putting the in proper way runner and riser. This could be the best effective ways to prevent it. Now getting into the fourth one. So our fourth one is the gas porosity. These are like this. There are the many types of the gas porosities: open holes, blow holes, and also here is the blowhole effect of the casting parts that I show you. How does that occur? So the blowholes or the gas porosity occurs when during the solidification of that cast part, or you pour that melted material, some gases like oxygen, nitrogens, or many gases stay right there, and after solidifications or after completing the solidification, these gases would have to come outside rather than to stay inside. But what happens if these defects occurs? These pores comes on the surface, in which it says that there are the gases which tries to get out during the solidifications. So what preventions or what remedies to take care while casting the product? So first one is by maintaining the moisture level of the mold sand during the pouring. Second, also by taking proper baking of coal and proper ramming of it. And the third one is to provide the vent hole, so that these gases comes out quickly and thus they do not affect the cast part. So our fifth one is runout. Yeah, this seems very frequently. So what runout defect is basically? Now you have seen this footage. In this you can see that this is actually the cast part, but by the lack of proper attention, this happened that the mold design or the mold is also get casted out. Why this happens? When you have selected the defected mold box, and thus it happens generally. Or also if you have taken the molding box out in a wrong way. Now the second thing is how to prevent it and what are the remedies. So the first one is, as the answer comes from the reasons, that you have to select the proper mold box, and second, you have to select and you have to taken care of the proper molding process. Yeah guys, this was all about just today's video. I hope you like it. So thanks for watching. So today in this video the queries that I solved are these. If you are looking or if you are doing the preparation for GATE exam, then this casting process topic is very scoring topic from the point of view, and also I have covered such types, their remedies, and why this occurs. So I hope you like this video. Stay tuned, stay subscribed to this channels. I will meet you soon in next video. Thank you.